This video is going to be about the diesel particle filter pressure sensor from this Volkswagen Passat. And since this is a diesel, we've got a particle filter and we need a feedback to know if the particle filter is clogged up. So we've got this sensor which will measure the pressure before and after the particle filter. And you can see we've got two hoses connected to it under here and a 3-wire connector. So I'm going to show you what values you need to read at that connector using a voltmeter, and I will bench test this sensor since it's in good condition at the moment. So usually when you install a new one, you need to basically register it for the computer to know. Then you can run a regeneration using this scan tool of the particle filter. Okay, so you're going to need a T30. Okay, so let's remove these hose clamps. Spray a little bit of silicone in there. It will make it go out that much easier. Here is the part number if you need it. Now, one of the reasons I remove it is to inspect these hoses and see if there are any carbon buildups in here. And it looks quite clear actually. This sensor should not have any reason to fail in the future. And if you find, for example, a lot of carbon on it, then you can try to clean it, reinstall it, erase the code. I've seen that happen once and the trouble code stayed off for quite a while after it came back again. So I don't think it's a reliable thing to just clean it and reinstall it if you have a trouble code. But you can still try it and it can give you some extra time before you go ahead and buy a new one. So now with the sensor off, let's do a bench test. The pins are numbered. We've got 1, 2, 3 from left. Between 1 and 2, 5255 ohms. Between 1 and 3, 4020 ohms. Now let's see between 2 and 3. We probably won't have anything. Yeah, it looks like it's open loop. Let's increase the range. Let's go to 600,000 ohms range. And it looks like we've got 10,000 ohms between 2 and 3. And if the electric part is good on the sensor, then you know that the only reason is that the sensor is either clogged up with carbon or you've got a connection problem. So let's see what voltage values we're going to read on the connector with the ignition on. I'm going to connect the voltmeter to the ground. Now let's turn the ignition on. First pin 5 volts, second one nothing, and the third one 4.8 volts. Between 1 and 2, 4.9. So the middle one is got to be the ground. Between 2 and 3, 4.8 volts. So we've got good ground and good signal on the connector. So yeah, that was pretty much it about this sensor. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day and I will see you in the next video.